What is environmental impact for GED Social Studies? Have you ever wondered how our actions affect the planet? In the context of general educational development social studies, environmental impact is all about understanding this relationship. It explores how human activities change the natural world and how these changes affect societies. Let's break it down into key concepts that are essential for your studies. First, consider human changes to the environment. Activities like farming, industry, and urban development can significantly alter land, water, and air quality. For instance, when forests are cut down, it can lead to soil erosion. Pollution from factories can harm wildlife and even affect human health. Understanding these changes helps you see the direct consequences of our actions. Next, we have natural resources. It is important to know the difference between renewable resources, like solar energy and forests that can regrow, and non-renewable resources, such as fossil fuels that can run out. Sustainable use of resources means managing them wisely so they last longer and do not harm the environment. This is a key point in your studies. Environmental systems and interactions are another vital area. This concept involves studying ecosystems and how living things interact with each other and with non-living elements like air and water. A change in one part of an ecosystem can affect many other parts. For example, if a river gets polluted, it can impact the fish living in it and the animals that relying on those fish for food. Climate change and natural hazards are also covered in GED Social Studies. You will learn about global climate change, its main causes, and its effects, such as rising temperatures and severe weather. Natural hazards like earthquakes and hurricanes are discussed too. Understanding how these events impact people and how we can reduce damage through planning is crucial. Lastly, sustainability is a key concept. This means meeting our present needs without harming future generations. It involves balancing economic development, social well-being, and environmental protection. In your studies, you may be asked to interpret data, maps, or charts related to environmental issues. You might also need to understand how environmental factors influence population movements or economic activities. Evaluating policies aimed at reducing environmental harm is another important skill. As you prepare for the General Educational Development Test, grasping these ideas clearly will help you answer questions about how the environment and society affect each other. You will need to identify causes and effects of environmental problems and understand efforts to create sustainable solutions. This knowledge is not just academic. It is essential for making informed decisions about our world.